Hello, and welcome to Whova. If you're the lead contact for an exhibitor booth at an event using Whova, you have tons of early access to set your business up for success through Whova's Exhibitor portal. In this video, we'll show you your Exhibitor portal main page, how to set up your booth profile, how to manage your booth staff, how to view and export your leads, and we'll even go over some of our other really useful exhibitor resources. But first, let's get right into the main page. To access your exhibitor portal, sign in using the email address you used to register your booth for your event. If you don't use this email, you won't have access to the portal. Follow the instructions to sign in, and when prompted for a verification code, you can find it in your email inbox. Be sure to check your spam inbox as well if you're having trouble finding the code. Your Exhibitor portal main page lists all the tools available to help prepare your booth and manage it for your event. We heavily recommend you explore all these tools to help boost your exhibitor experience and gather more leads more efficiently. And we'll help guide you through the most important parts of the Exhibitor portal. So for now, let's get started with the Exhibitor booth profile. The Exhibitor booth profile setup form is the first important thing you'll want to fill out before your event. Go to the first panel in your main page labeled Set up your booth profile and click Start. Here is where you'll get to change what your business looks like to event attendees. If you were an exhibitor at an event using Whova before, you can import that information to reuse here. Otherwise, you should get started by first filling out your company information. Upload your eye-catching logo and be very sure to enter the correct contact information and website link to make sure you don't accidentally lose any leads. If you happen to input incorrect information, you're always free to come back to this page to update your profile with the correct content. Just be sure to resubmit the form. Next, bring more attention to your profile by adding pictures and videos. People love visual media, and what better way to make an impression on attendees than to put it directly in your profile? Upload a super cool product demo or promotional video, or include some really fun company culture pictures. These will take your booth's engagement to the next level and draw more interest from your audience. Another great way to draw traffic to your booth is to set up a promotion. Having a special promotion can get you up to even 2 to 3 times more leads. So choose a coupon, raffle, or giveaway and start setting your promotion up to bring those leads in. Maybe offer a coupon for discounted prices on your product/service, or initiate a raffle where people enter at your booth to win a gift bundle full of your company's super cool goodies. The details are completely in your hands. And when you're all set, make sure to click Submit at the bottom to save all your profile changes. From here, let's move on to your booth staff. Add your whole team of staff to help you fill out your profile and collect leads. Find the Manage Booth Staff panel right over here and click Invite Booth Staff to add people to your list of staff. Make sure whoever you're adding is already on the event's attendee list, and if they're not, contact your event organizer for help. Here's what a booth staff invite email looks like, and once accepted, your booth staff can now help collect leads in the Whova event app. Make sure all your staff has the Whova app downloaded from the Play Store or the App Store and watch as the leads come in. Quite literally, every time your staff scans a lead through the Whova event app, that information will show up live in your exhibitor portal. View all your leads by scrolling down to this panel here. See the full list of leads collected and conveniently export it to a single Excel sheet for your business's needs by clicking the Download button. That just about wraps up the most important sections of your exhibitor portal, but we have some extra tools and resources to improve your exhibitor experience even more. The social media scheduling tool lets you create and schedule posts on LinkedIn, Facebook, and X. Use it to promote your booth presence and share cool moments and promotions from your team. If you'd like more tips and tricks on improving your exhibitor experience, you can watch our exhibitor guide, which is our all-in-one guide to being an exhibitor at a Whova event. Additionally, you can get live, personalized guidance from our very own Whova experts through our complimentary exhibitor training workshops, which are free for you to register and attend. Thank you for watching our guide on the Exhibitor portal, and we hope you enjoy your time with Whova.